Police, where's your emergency?
Please, my son is missing. The garage door was left open. He has autism.
How long ago did you last see him?
Maybe like 10 minutes ago. I live by the water.
They'll be okay. The police are on their way to help you.
Charles Eagle, we're about a minute away. We'll start on the water's edge.
Roger.
Comms from CMP 1 Bravo, 10-7 Waddle Downs.
Roger. Eagle from comms, do you see any other people that need to be spoken to around the reserve? Or should we assign areas up around the residential area?
Yeah, there's a unit parking on Canusi. They can walk down to people down to the playground. And they're quite doing a kite. They may have seen him as well. Copy.
Comms DCO3 Charlie, just speaking to a member of the public. He saw a kid matching the description about 20 minutes ago.
Sorry, just confirm where you are.
Where the red car is with the cyclist with yellow fluoro.
Roger, sir. Comms DCO3 Alpha. I've spoken to other members of the public at the same street. They've confirmed the story. Underlay about 10-15 minutes.
Comms copies.
Yeah, just so that's what we've already been provided. The mum said that his fascination with the water, he doesn't know how to swim.
Yeah, comms Eagle, he's in the water. Officer on the beach, straight ahead of you, 100 metres out in the water. Now, a little boy, guys, so one of you, it looks like it's fairly shallow there. We're going to have to get out. Or that, or we're going to have to jump him. So you can stand up, so it's shallow. Yeah, comms Eagle. One of our officers with him now. Grabbed him.
Roger, comms copies.
Comms DCO3 Alpha. Is there anyone still doing areas that can attend the scene and tell her that we've got him?
Comms call, so any free staff that can go to let the mother know?
Comms CMP 1-1. I'll hear that. Yeah, comms Eagle. All safe and sound now. Plenty of staff for all KO.
Roger, Eagle, thank you.
Great work, everybody.